Hello everyone. In this video I will be showing you how to make your own website from scratch using only a text editor. I will be showing you the basic HTML and CSS tags that make up all websites. HTML and CSS are the languages you use to create sweet websites, and in these tutorials I will take you from a total noob to a total expert web designer. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is open Notepad or whatever text editor you have. If you have a PC, you can click Start, type Notepad, and it should pop right up. You can select it from there. If you are on a Mac, you can do a quick search for Text Wrangler, pretty much the same program. Now that we have Notepad open, let's make an HTML file. Let's just type something in here. I typed website, but you can type whatever you like inside. Now I'm going to go to File, Save As, and I don't want to save this as a text document. I want to save it as an HTML file. To do that, I'm going to go right here under Save As Type, select All Files, and I'm going to name this websites.html. Now this is going to create an HTML file. I'm going to save this to my desktop. Now this file that I've named website is on my desktop. I'm just going to double click it to open it, and it will open in whatever browser you have set as your default HTML viewer. For me, I have Chrome set as my default browser, which I think is the best, but if you prefer Firefox, Internet Explorer, Opera, Safari, whatever, just double click it and it should open in that browser. If it doesn't work, you can open up your browser, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Chrome, and drag and drop this icon into the browser and it will refresh. Now I can start making changes to this page just by editing the text in Notepad. I'm just going to add something in here, like this is my first website. Then I'm going to go to File, Save, or shortcut that's really helpful is Control S. I then go to my browser and I hit refresh or F5, and the changes that I made in Notepad appear in my browser. Right here, website, this is my first website. So let's start with basic HTML tags, and then we can move on to page structure. I'll be using the bold tag to start. It looks like this. The bold tag simply makes text bold. So we'll put the tag before a website. We'll save it, Control S or File Save, refresh our browser, and we can see that all of the text is now bolded. Now what if we only want to bold a certain word? Let's say I only want to bold the first website here. I will need to begin the bold tag before website, as I did, and then I will need to end it after website. So how do I end it? This is basically how you end any HTML tag. You type the tag again, and you add a / to the beginning of it. That's it. Control S, refresh our browser, and now only the first website is bolded. You can start and end your tags wherever you like, as long as you end it after you start it. So now you know how HTML tags basically work. You understand they need to start and they need to end. So let's get rid of this line we've written, and we'll set up the basic structure for almost all HTML pages. The basics of any website is the HTML tag. So let's go ahead and open our HTML tag. Then I'm going to add a couple spaces just to give me some space, and I'm going to close my HTML tag. Your entire website is going to go between these two tags, all of your content. Every website is composed of two parts. The first part is called the head, and the second part is called the body. So let's go ahead and add a head tag, and we'll add a space and close our head tag. And then we'll go ahead and add a body tag. Add a space, close our body tag. The head is where all the browser information goes, the technical stuff that you don't see when you go to a website. This includes keywords for search engines, the title of the web page, your JavaScript, and any style sheet links. All of that stuff is placed between the head tags, and we will cover them in a later tutorial. Right now though, I'd like to focus on the body tags. The body tag is right after the head tag and before the end HTML tag. This will contain all the visible content on your web page, the paragraphs, the images, and the text. This is the structure of just about any HTML page. The technical stuff goes in the head, and the interesting stuff that we see when we go to a website goes in the body. Thank you for watching this first part on how to create a website in just a basic text editor. In the next section, we'll be adding images, going through a few more tags, adding content to our body, and then adding a few things to the head as well. So stay tuned.